Hey sourdough bakers, let's break down two essential techniques for making the perfect artisan sourdough, the stretch and fold versus the coil fold. First up, the stretch and fold. This method is all about gently pulling the dough out, then folding it over itself. It's like a relaxing stretch for your dough, helping develop the gluten while maintaining smooth structure. Think of it like doing yoga. Now let's talk coil fold. This technique is a little different. Instead of stretching the dough, you lift it from the middle, allowing it to fold naturally as you gently coil it back into the bowl. This method creates tension and structure without tearing the dough. Perfect for those airy open crumbs we all love. So whether you're team stretch and fold or team coil fold, both methods work magic on your sourdough. Which one is your go-to? Let me know in the comments.